traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing Ethereum, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So in Ethereum, I mean, yes, this is going into the territory of wave 1, but I definitely do, especially looking at other crypto pairs, think that this is a 1, 2, 3, and we're probably likely to go up for wave 4, which I still think is very likely to eventually take out the high of wave 3. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely looks like one impulsive down, corrective up, and then impulsive down. I think it's likely at the end of a correction. It looks like 5 waves down, 3 waves up. I still am kind of concerned about the fact that it has 3 waves down, but it actually could be a WXY, not an ABC. WXY is 333. Either way, I think there's a pretty good chance the correction is over, and I think there's a pretty good chance we're already heading up in that wave 5. Going down to the daily time frame, definitely a nice impulsive move up, definitely a break of structure. I think at some point we're going to make a wave 1, probably a wave 2, and then go up for a wave 3, 4, and wave 5. And this should be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5 based on what we see on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I still have my Fibonacci retracement on this move up right here. I'm looking for 3 waves down. It kind of already looks like it made 3 waves down, and we do have a 23% fib bounce. Definitely not a very shallow correction if it is the end of a correction, but if it really is the end of a correction and it only went to the 23%, then that means that the move up potentially could be very strong. But definitely keep an eye on it, and possibly and maybe even more likely will go down to one of these lower fib levels before it actually does end up going back up. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it definitely is trying to break structure. If it breaks this structure right here, then this is going to be what I always tell my members is the bread and butter trade. Because a break of structure, which is potentially the end of a wave C, and then a pullback, it's going to be way, way, way safer if you wait for the break of structure and then wait for the pullback to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Way, way, way safer entry if you wait for the wave 1 to complete, wait for the wave 2 correction, and then go long at the end of the wave 2 for the wave 3. But definitely be cautious. I mean, if it doesn't break structure to the upside, it may actually end up going down even more. So definitely pay attention. A lot of this rides on whether or not it breaks this structure to the upside to tell us whether or not it really is the end of a wave C or not. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.